talking about like how we use infinitive to join two sentences. My example which I shared before was I will go to my old college, I'll meet my teachers. So what do I create? I will say I'll go to my old college to meet my teachers. So here I have added this infinitive. Now let's take next, that is very important and a new term altogether, that is called, apposition. Phrase in apposition. Okay, so it is phrase in apposition. Children, it is not opposition, but it is apposition. Now let me explain you what do you exactly mean by phrase in apposition. It describes the noun just before it. Okay, the word or phrase in apposition is marked off from the thing to which it refers by a pair of comma. That means in a sentence, that set of words will be denoted as a different altogether, as it is separated by commas before and after the completion of those set of words, and it will just come after a noun. For example, Nagasaki. Okay, Nagasaki. I'll just share the sentence. Sentence is Nagasaki was once a heap of rubble. That was due to the bombing and all. Okay. Now second sentence is it is now a bustling city. Okay. So now how we put these two sentences together using a phrase in apposition. So I would say Nagasaki, comma, once a heap of rubble, then I will again put a comma. Once a heap of rubble is now a bustling city. Okay. So now children, what is the phrase of apposition here? The phrase of apposition here is this whole part. Once a heap of rubble. Now you see there are commas here. Okay. And this is the noun. Okay. So phrase in apposition is, it describes the noun just before it. That means I am describing the city Nagasaki. And how am I describing? I am just describing it as once a heap of rubble. Okay. And now when I am describing that noun, children, please remember to put this punctuation mark of comma. And when you have already described that noun, after that also we need to put a comma. And then the sentence continues as it is. Now let's proceed by our next, that is by using prepositions. Alright. So that is the fourth one. I think, let me rub this. Okay, so by now we have gone through three very important things which we might use while synthesizing a sentence. Now the fourth thing which we can use, that is by using a preposition, and that too by using for or by. Okay, followed by, it will have a gerund. Okay, and then a noun. So let's see how we can create a sentence like this. For example, if I say she received the bravery reward, and second sentence can be she saved her brother from drowning. So how do we synthesize it? By using a preposition. So the sentence will be she received the bravery award, the bravery award. Now here comes the preposition. What will it be? For saving drowning. Okay. Alright. So now let's look at the preposition used here. So it is for, this is the gerund, saving, and then you have the noun here. Okay. So this is the preposition, this is the gerund, and this is the noun. Okay. Understood? So this is how, we can create, we can synthesize sentences, we can put together two simple sentences, thus creating a compound sentence. Okay. Now let's look at the fifth point, that is how we can create such new sentences by using adverbs. Remember adverbs were words like gracefully, beautifully, instantly, frequently, and then you have various such adverbs. So let's take an example. I reached, maybe I reached the the spot. Okay, now next sentence can be I reached in an instant. So I reached the spot. This is the first sentence and this is the second sentence. Now how do I put these two sentences together using an adverb? So it's very simple, I'll say I reached the spot instantly. Okay, I won't repeat this set of words. So the new sentence will be I reached the spot. Now this is the adverb. I reached the spot instantly. That means then and there, immediately I reached. So this is the adverb. Now last but not least, let's quickly talk about the last point to be taken into consideration when we are talking about synthesis of, combining two simple sentences. Okay. So that can be done by using to plus adjective. Okay. To plus adjective. Now it can be also to plus adverb. Okay. Along with that we have infinitive. infinitive. Okay. So remember, to, it can be put with adjective, it can be also put with adverb, followed by infinitive, that is T singular. Okay. So you see, these both twos are involved. Now let's take an example. Example can be, say the box is heavy. Okay, the box is heavy, so it is used as an adjective, right? The box is heavy. I can't carry it. I can't carry it. So this is sentence number 1 and this is sentence number 2. So how are we going to put these together? I would say the box is too heavy to carry. So it is the box is too heavy to carry. Okay, but then children, I have made one thing wrong. I have missed out this I. Okay, recorrect, reconstruct. The box is too heavy. Here I would add for me to carry. Okay. So I will put this subject here. The box is too heavy for me to carry. Okay. So the sentence will be, the box is too heavy for me